Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Cash App not sending codes. First of all, if you have entered your email ID, then open your Gmail account, then check here. If it is not here, click on the 3-line option in the top left, scroll down, click on the spam option. It might be over there or it will be in your trash option. Then go ahead and check your SMS, or if it's not over there, open your WhatsApp. The code might have been sent over here. And make sure your number or email is active and you have put the right email or number inside it. After that, restart your iPhone. After restarting your iPhone, go ahead and switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. And then make sure you are connected on a stable network to rule out network issues. Then if nothing works, just go ahead and request the code again after 30 seconds. Safety tip: do not request the code too many times. Cash App may block it temporarily. And quick fix: try logging in with your email instead of your phone, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.